Okay. Another unboxing today. No, we just received our order from Lazada, and a while ago I have done one unboxing, which is all about the anti-fog. What do you call that? Anti-fog or frame glass anti-fog cloth. No, so um, now I will be unboxing another item which will help me as a VA, no, helps me to organize and be aware of the task that I'm doing every day. And so let's start. Okay, so this one, uh, okay, these are I think the items which I bought for my magnetic calendar, I mean whiteboard calendar over there. No, that was the project I did last week, which I just printed out some the numbers 1 to 31 and the 12 months of the calendar. So I put them in a magnet strip so that I can just change it. I don't need to write anything, because I have a very lousy handwriting. Okay, so anyhow, um, what I was thinking on that is to just use post-it or papers like this and then magnet, But I started looking for some magnets in the school supplies. I didn't find any, but fortunately, when I searched on Lazada, I found the magnets, the perfect magnets that I like for my calendar, magnetic calendar. Yeah. So this is it. Let's unbox it. No, this is the item. So let's unbox it. Let's open it. I mean, okay. So I hope they are as what I expected them to be. And this came from China. So they are individually packed like this because yan. So I ordered four. Yan. So I have like four, which are this way. And let's see how they look like. No, let's open this one first. So they put it in a foam to cover them. Yeah, I think because they are small items, plus they look like they are marbles. Yeah. So I ordered my favorite color, which is purple. So it's like this. No? It's like a pin which you use on the cork board over there, but the thing is this one is magnetic, like so. Okay, so this is purple. I bought how many? I think 10 of the purple. Yeah, so this is 10. So, and it's a hard plastic. It's a hard plastic. Probably that's why they have to put them in foam so they don't break along the shipping. Okay, so this one, oh, I ordered 20 purple. Okay, so this is another purple. Okay, so another purple, no? Ayan. So it's purple. There you go. Purple. So that's 20. And I think I bought red. Okay. Um, Purple is for like regular things that I'm doing that doesn't need urgent attention. And then I bought red, no? So that, okay, let's do this. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. So, red will be for like emergency things or urgent matters, like a reminder kind of thing. And then, I don't know, this one is like, so red will be like top priority, high priority task. Huh? Okay, so I'm going to use red for that. And then I have yellow. Okay, yellow. Yeah. So yellow will be for the second priority task. So I will make a short video on how I'm gonna use them on that calendar. Yeah. Bye.